Have you seen my car? Oh, someone stole my car. Woo! Have you seen it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have you seen it? It can't be far. It's about 5'5" in height, the kind of petite in width. Yeah, weight's about 125 pounds, maybe less. That's the description I can give for now, because I haven't had any rest. Oh yeah, manufactured in the West Indies, along the territory of St. Thomas. The only reason I'm looking is 'cause I care. Can you help me? Tell me you have seen my car. The last time I saw it, I left the keys in the ignition, 'cause I was on the phone. I simply forgot to lock it until I realized it was gone. When I could not find the keys in my pocket, some must have slipped in, and now washing my car with words of wisdom. Simple conversation of passion. It taught me how to love, share, and care. Now, my life without her is a nightmare. Oh, running out of patience.